Alright, my name is Michael Hart, and I'll be showing you some network diagramming with Draw.io. So first off, I like to Okay. And there we can see basement, got the legend, tells you hard connections, Wi-Fi connections, main driver, Windows Dell, company laptop is hooked up to the Pi KVM2, hooked up to the office switch. Now the office switch is hooked directly, and there you are. Alright, now the nice thing is in Draw.io you can export it to PDF. Here's one I did a little bit more work on, and of course I like everything dark mode when I'm working on it, but when you gotta print something out you want it to be white. So there you are. Thank you for watching. Please visit thronewolf.com and consider me for all of your remote contract needs.